Welcome to this AOR tutorial where we will discover how to make use of AOR web objects. By design, web objects are decoupled from any web services format, JSON, SOAP or URL encoded format. So web object gives the developer full control over data manipulations, which is before incoming data validation, converting from the web data to the application data structure or to the corresponding web format from the application data structures. So we will present a project with it's the ADA procedure service compute that we will expose as a SOAP web service. So it's here, session web object. We will use SOAP UI GUI. So here is the compute XSD that presents the data model and the ending wizard. So here you can see an example of a payload we can call the web service, and here it will be a response payload. So the session web object is presented here that we will be using with its corresponding attribute and primitives. So the session web object initialize primitive will implement the data model requirements. So we have 1 to 5 value nodes that will be included into a values node that will be a child of a session node and a status boolean. Then we have the from SOAP procedure that will give the developer more control to convert the SOAP payload to the ADA structure. And of course the toSOAP primitive that let the developer convert the ADA structure to the SOAP payload. Just add a few reference and ID into the message and add free value to the values. So before running the web server, we will use SOAP UI to call the SOAP web service. Here we are. So let's give a few data. Put status to false, and we will have two value node. Yeah. So as nothing is running, no response from the web service. So here we have the session web object and the service compute procedure that we will expose as a SOAP web service. So we first generate the corresponding connector we will disable the session feature here, and then we will generate the trigger, which is the web service. Here we are. So let's run the web service instance. Here we are. So for the code name here, it's taking the reference input here. So we'll change it here, and here we are. So of course, as we specify, we only accept 1 to 5 nodes. So if we have more than 5 nodes, there's an error. So we got the corresponding sub-fault response with all the necessary information.